Hey folks, Luke here with CompanyCam. I'm going to run you through a quick demo, kind of a tutorial of what CompanyCam is and how it works. But first I want to introduce myself. My name is Luke Hansen. I come from the roofing industry. My family owns a roofing company, so I've done every job in roofing, from tearing off shingles, cleaning up the ground, to recording TV commercials and doing management. So I've been all through the roofing industry. At my family roofing company, we had a real problem keeping track of photos. More than that, it was knowing what was going on across our company. We didn't know what was happening at a job site. We didn't know how much progress there was. We had no way of documenting that so we could find it later. We were doing a lot of dumb things like you guys probably are. Emailing photos constantly back to the office, handing memory cards to each other, uploading to the Dropbox. So now we have CompanyCam. We solved this problem by building CompanyCam. What that does for you is every photo that your company takes will stream to the cloud in real time and be automatically organized by the address where it was taken. So what you're looking at here is our company's CompanyCam account. Okay, so you can see these photos popping in. This is all happening in real time. The moment one of our guys takes a photo with the CompanyCam app, it goes to the cloud in real time and is available across our company. So we see it in here, so we know the progress. Now, with CompanyCam, you can see here, you can draw on the photos, you can write notes that stay connected to the photos. In fact, I'll just click on this one right here. So every photo is connected to an address. Okay, so this is the address for this photo. Now, and I know that Taylor took this photo, and I know that he took it today at 1:44 p.m. Every photo is connected to a place, to a person, and to a time. So you always know that. You can search and sort by all of those at any point in time. I'm going to go back to the photos here. You can see on here, these have the address or the place where the photo was taken. I can click on that and I can see all the photos from this project. So now at my family roofing company, they have pictures from before, during, and after every project. So they've lowered their liability significantly with, the things that pop up when you're a contractor. Someone says you damaged something that you don't think you damaged, but you don't know. And the only thing you can do is either have proof or you end up replacing something, just paying for it because you're trying to be a reputable contractor. So now we keep records, so we know what the state of the project was before we started, and we know what it was after. So I can scroll down here and I can look at all of the photos that we've ever taken at this project. Looks like they're putting on a EPDM roof over here. I don't need to show you all of these, but that's the thing. Everything is organized by the address, so you can quickly sort and see all the photos you've taken at any given place. You can also click on a person's name. So for example, I'll click on Mike here. I can scroll down and I can look at all the photos that Mike's taken. Just scroll down, look at all his photos. It's a piece of cake. You see photos based on the person, the time, or the place. Now, CompanyCam has a mobile app, meaning we have an iPhone app, an Android app, and what you're seeing here on the screen is called our web app. So you just get on the computer. It's at app.companycam.com. You'd log in once you've created your account, and then all the photos your company takes are going to fly in here in real time. Okay, so from here, there's several other things you can do. You see when I hover my mouse over a photo, I see this little check mark in the corner because all of these photos are automatically available within your company, but if you want to send them outside of your company, let's say you want to email some photos, you want to send them over to subcontractor, to a homeowner, an insurance adjuster. Normally you're uploading those into a email and it's a little bit tricky, right? From here, I can select photos. If I click this check mark, now I'm selecting photos. So I've got that photo selected. I could scroll down. I'm going to scroll way down here. I'm going to scroll way down. I'm going to load in a lot of photos all the way down here. So now I've selected, you can see up here, I've selected 210 photos. Now normally I wouldn't just be randomly selecting 210 photos, but I've got all these photos. Now I can share them. I can share a gallery of all these photos. So I can send 210 photos in no time. So all I do is here, click this gallery. And what I've done is I've created a gallery that I can share. So I can share this link right here. Just click this button, copy this link. And then what I'm going to send, I'm going to open up this tab and paste it in. is this is what I'm sending. I'm sending a photo gallery branded with your company logo. So we're White Castle Roofing, but that would have your logo up there. You can send this to a customer, anyone. You can shoot this, attach it in an email or a text. It looks good on the web or even on a phone. Everything is mobile friendly. And I've sent 210 photos here. I could click on any one of these photos and have a gallery that I can scroll through right here. I could even slide along the bottom and look at this. Let's say I want to look at this photo. Wrote some notes about the gutters there. They could, if they wanted, they could download all of these photos so they have them on their computer. It's the fastest way to send photos that there is. Okay, because you're not uploading, you're not wasting time, you're just creating a professional gallery, something that makes your company look good. Okay, I'm going to X out of there, showing you how to share those photos. You can also create photo reports. I'm not going to get into that right now, but if I wanted to create a report and write notes next to a photo, have a really professional looking report that I could export as a PDF, I can create photo reports, or I can download or I can print photos. So to print photos, you just select a couple. I'll just check this one through, these 3 photos, let's say, right here. Actions, print. Now the great thing is you can choose whether you want to include the details with the photo, meaning where the photo was taken, who took it, and when they took it. That will all print on the page. You don't have to write that on there after the fact. So if I want to include those details when I print this, I just leave that selected, click on this. I'll print 1 photo per page. Now it's going to load these pages up, and there we go. I've got my photo there, and I know who took it and where they took it. All that information is on the photo. And it just lays those out there, and it's a piece of cake to print those out. Quick, I want to run through the mobile app. So I'm going to slide over here. I've got the mobile app open on my phone, and this is what the mobile app looks like on the iPhone. You're seeing my iPhone screen. So I'm going to refresh it. I've got the latest photos. Now, there's 3 sections at the top here. My photos, all photos, and groups. So I can just look at the photos I've taken. I can look at all of our company's photos. Or I can create groups of people so that I can quickly sort through, maybe my residential roofing guys or my commercial roofing guys or my sales guys. I can group them together so I can quickly sort out photos. So any photo I click on, for example, click on this photo right here. I'm going to zoom in here. It looks like he's writing dimensions. That's 16 by 8. Now at the top there you can see the address where the photo was taken. A lot of options here. I could write a comment on the photo. I could tag the photo. I'm just going to click on the top, click on this address. That's going to take me to a page which we would call our place page. Now this shows you all the photos that your company has taken at this place. Not just one guy, anyone at your company that takes a photo at this place, their photos are going to be in here. Okay, so they're all here, and you can have your whole project documented automatically without ever emailing or uploading a photo. It just happens. I'm going to back out. I'm going to show you guys how to take a photo real fast. Give you a view out the window here. So when you click the camera to take a photo, which I just did, it's going to pop up with this screen here. It's going to make you choose a place. Now we use your GPS to find the places that are closest to you. Okay, so it'll list all the places where your company has been before by which is closest. And if there's no place that's close that you guys have taken a photo at, then we'll give you an address. We'll get the address based on the GPS coordinates so that you can click that. So I'm just going to select CompanyCam. That's our office here. Now I'm looking out the window, and I'm going to snap a photo. Okay, so you can see on the screen there, I'm lined up. I'm ready to snap a photo. I'm at CompanyCam. I click it. Boom. Now I've snapped the photo. Now, for now, this photo's just sitting on my phone. It hasn't gone to the cloud. It's not available across our company. It's just on my phone. There's several things I can do here. The first is I can draw on this photo. I'm going to click on the little squiggly in the corner to start drawing. Now I'm drawing in red. I could circle something. I could click that again and switch. I'll draw in yellow and, draw an arrow. Whatever I want to do, easy to draw on the photo. I'm going to back out of there, and I'm going to write a note. I'm going to say, this is my note. Okay, now I've written a note. That comment is going to stay connected to that photo. Okay, that will always be connected to the photo. And lastly, I can tag the photo. So you create a custom list of words for your company, a custom set of tags, which helps you organize your photos even deeper than where they were taken, when they were taken, and who took them. Okay, so you can easily create this list. Let's say this is the right side of the building, and I want this photo to go on social media or something, just 2 tags. Easy deal. Done tagging the photo. Now, once I hit this check mark, this photo is going to the cloud immediately. So I hit the check. Oops. Now that photo's in the cloud. And I'm going to swipe back over here and show you guys. That photo's going to pop in here momentarily, and there it is. Now, it popped in here in the middle because I took so long editing it that 2 other people from our company had already taken a photo in the meantime. But you can see if I click on this photo, there it is. Took it out of our office. I took it today. Now, because I took so long editing it, I have 2 times here. The time that I took it and the time that it was uploaded. Okay, so if those are different, we'll display them and show you both times. There's my tags. There's my comment. It's all there. Okay, it's a piece of cake to handle all that. So that's a pretty basic rundown of CompanyCam. Now, there's more stuff that it can do. The idea is easy for you to document things. I'm going to tell you one story of how it saved us $1,000 in a week a couple months ago. Is very often, not very often, but sometimes a homeowner will think that we damaged something. Sometimes we do damage things. It happens. It doesn't happen very often, but it can happen. You accidentally ding a gutter, or you scrape the siding or something when you're working on the roof. Now we have photos documenting the before and the during and the after. Okay, so what can happen is that maybe they thought that we dinged their gutter, but it was already like that. And usually we just don't know. Well, now we do. And it happened twice in the same week. We were going to have to replace a gutter and going to have to replace a bunch of fascia boards that they thought we damaged. And we found the photos, and sure enough, they were already damaged before we got there. Another one of our customers that's in the delivery business was having an argument about how much material was delivered. They produced a photo. That was the end of that. Saved themselves $2,000. There's just all sorts of reasons why you want to have documentation. I mean, the other beauty of it is you see things as they're happening. Okay, I see my guys working as they're working, and I can see if problems start to come up or if I think they're doing something wrong. I can catch it before it becomes a big deal. So that's the rundown of CompanyCam. If you'd like to ask questions, you can feel free to email me. It's luke@companycam.com. I'm the founder of CompanyCam. I'll happily answer any questions you have. Otherwise, I'd recommend joining and doing a real demo sometime. They're interactive, gives you a chance to ask questions while we're looking at the app, and allows me to kind of help you guys figure out how CompanyCam could help your business. So thanks for being here today, and I hope you give CompanyCam a try.